Okay, 2 3/4 stepped. So, hey, welcome back. I'll clean that pocket lint off. Welcome back to another wonderful building and fixing adventure at Weaver Stonehouse Farms. And we're working on my grandpa's 94 Chevy truck. And the exhaust on it, on the factory, after the cat exhaust is weird. It's 2 3/4 inch. I don't know, it's strange. So I've got a leak and I don't want to go ahead and spend the time and weld everything up. It's just a little bit. And we're going to put this clamp on. So it's 2 3/4, comes some sealant. My guess, it's the sealant needs to go in there because of the step, because it's not gonna seal 100%. But for us, that's fine. It's farm truck. So there's your part number 2. We'll take these bolts out. I'm gonna put anti-seize on them like I always do before I put them in. We'll see if it works. So yeah. Okay, so here's the problem I have. This is right before the muffler, after the cat, and yes, it's farm truck, it's all rotted up. So, has a leak up top and a leak underneath. So, I could cut this clamp off, but I'm not gonna, because it's actually sealing up on this side. So, we're gonna see if we can just sneak it in here enough to make it good enough. Okay, we have a win. So it gives you like a sealant. It's almost like a black RTV. I smeared that all around on the inside. It's cold out. It's like 20. So like if we had a leak, it'd be showing up. So I am super thrilled about that. Works for me. Yeah. Oh, with that off. Hey, if that helped you, help us. Subscribe, follow along, and see all the fun we have on the farm and in the garage and fixing rusted out junk. See you next time on the farm.